Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today I am going to teach you class 8th English grammar. Listen carefully. Very first, I am going to tell you future perfect tense because in this series, in the future series, I have taught you about the future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. So today I am going to start future perfect tense. Listen carefully. That is given in your book. What is future perfect tense? It is used to talk about action that will be completed by a certain time in future. Okay, it means over here in this tense we talk about an action, एक ऐसे कार्य के बारे में बात करते हैं that will be completed by a certain time in future, जो किसी समय अंतराल में फ्यूचर के किसी समय अंतराल में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Okay, that will be completed by a certain time in future. After that, very first we will talk about affirmative sentence. I hope you have understand what is future perfect tense. It means it is a task, it is an action that will be completed by a certain time in future. That will be completed by a certain time in future. जो एक निश्चित समय अंतराल के दौरान क्या होगा, कंप्लीट होगा. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस यू विल सी फ्रॉम हियर, अनीता विल हैव डिपॉजिटेड मनी in the bank by them. Anita will have deposited. What is the, you can say, what is the helping verb over here? You can say will have. Okay, and the main verb that you will use in the second form. Okay, so Anita will have deposited money in the bank by them. Okay, and after that, so very first when I will describe about the first sentence, you can see over here, Anita, very first with the affirmative sentences you will use help, sorry, subject, and after that will have. What is will have? You can say helping verb. So very first subject, after that helping verb. Anita is the subject, will have helped, will have is the helping verb, and deposited main verb, money in the bank by them. All these are objects. So Anita will have deposited money in the bank by them. Okay, good. After that, number second example you can see here, they will have reached by 12 o'clock tomorrow. They will have reached by 12 o'clock tomorrow. Very first you can say subject, helping verb, main verb, and all the things. So they will have reached by 10 o'clock tomorrow. Good. After that we will talk about the negative sentence. What is the negative sentence? Listen from here. Negative sentence that gives a negative message, you can say bridges will not have. It means with these sentences you will use as a helping verb will not have. What you will use? Bridges will not have done his work when Chandan reaches there. Bridges will not have done his work. Bridges will not have done his work when Chandan reaches there. And after that, number second, you can say, we shall not have taken our bath of before afternoon. We shall not have. Okay, we shall not have, because this is also helping verb, will not have and shall not have. So in the second first sentence, Bridges will not have done his work when Chandan reaches there. And in the second sentence you can say, we shall not have taken our bath before afternoon. And after that we will take over here, we will understand about the interrogative sentences. Will they have cooked the dinner before the guests arrive? Will they have cooked the dinner? Will they have cooked cooked the dinner before the guests arrive? So very first you can see over here will. It means this is the interrogative sentences, and I know that with the interrogative sentences, that the questions that are asked no type questions, we always use helping verb very first in the beginning of the sentence. So you can say, will they have cooked the dinner before the guests arrive? At the last you can say interrogative mark of interrogation. So will they have, what is will over here? You can say helping verb. There is the subject have cooked. the dinner before the guests. Okay, because over there helping verb will have, and shall have. So very first you will use will and after the subject and after that have. This is the helping verb and subject. Okay, and after that number second sentence you can see also over here, will you not have learnt this lesson by 6 o'clock? Will you not have learnt this lesson by 6 o'clock? Okay, after that next tense you can say, what is the next tense? Listen carefully. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. So it describes an action that will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. It describes an action, listen, it describes an action that will be in progress. How? That will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. ओवर हियर यू कैन से, यानी एक समय अंतराल के दौरान कोई काम होगा, हो रहा होगा फ्यूचर में. इट डिस्क्राइब्स एन एक्शन इट मीन्स एन वर्क दैट विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस, जो कंटिन्यू होगा, प्रोग्रेस होगा ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दैट विल बी end in the future. So listen very first about the affirmative sentences. Number first you can say, what is affirmative sentence? Okay, affirmative sentence you can say, he will have been supporting the party since 2014. It means with the affirmative sentences you can say, he will have been. What is the helping verb? You can say will have been and shall have been, and this is the also the work that you have in progress in continuation form. So with the main verb you will use, with the main verb you will use ing. It means over here you can see also will have been support ing, main verb plus ing supporting, discussing. Okay, so and after that will have been supporting the party since 2014. So he will, very first you can see, because this is the affirmative sentence, so very first you will use you can say subject, and after that you will use helping verb. So what is the helping verb? Will have been. So he will have been, and after that main verb plus ing. I have told you also. So main verb plus ing, over here main verb you have as support. So support plus ing, supporting the party. And to showing the time we use, to showing the time we use since and far. What we use? Since and far. In this way you will understand about all this, that with the, because to showing the time we use since, okay, and for the period of time we use for, and for the point of time we use since. Okay, so over here you will study about the since and for also. And because this is the affirmative sentence, this is the affirmative sentence, so very first we will use helping verb. So you can say over here he. After that we will use, so very first we will use about the subject, and after that helping verb. So he will have been supporting the party since 2014. Okay, good. After that next you will see, they will have been discussing this matter since 9 o'clock. They will have been discussing this matter since 9 o'clock. Good. And after that you will see over here negative sentence. You know what is the negative sentence also, and I have taught you that will have been is the helping verb, and because this is the negative sentence, so your helping verb will be will not have been. Four words you can say, will not have been. Very first you will use subject, so subject is the mira. Will not have been, I have told you that main verb plus ing. So talking, taking her meals, and why you have used for, to showing the time 3 days. 3 days is the time. Yes, this is a big sentence, a lot of things you can see. Very first we have used subject, after that subject as Mira, after that helping verb will not have been, after that main verb plus ing, it means you can say taking her meals, and after that since, use of since and far. Over here you can say period of time, so you have used far. In this way you can understand the total sentence. Mira will not have been taking her class, taking her meals for 3 days. Okay, and after that you will see here, we shall not have been doing his homework since Friday. We shall not have been. So both these sentences in negative form you can say, and these are the good example, because Mira will not have been taking her meals for 3 days. And number second you can say, we shall not have been doing his homework since Friday. Okay, and after that you will see about the interrogative sentence. What is the interrogative sentence? Listen carefully, because you know that with the interrogative sentences there are two types. First is yes and no type question. Yes, no type question. So what you will do in the yes, no type questions? Very first, with the yes, no type questions, we always use helping verb. What we use? Helping verb at the very beginning of the sentence. So over here you can see bill and sell. That is helping verb, because this is the interrogative sentence. So will you have been singing songs since 1 o'clock? So listen carefully. I want to tell you, because very first you have used helping verb, and over here subject will been have been, this is also the part of helping verb. So will you have been main verb plus ing singing songs since, over here because this is to showing the time, and your time is since 1 o'clock, that is the point of time. So will you have been singing song since 1 o'clock? And after that second sentence you will see, shall be not have been writing since evening. Shall be not have been writing since evening, the main thing over here this is. And after that you can see what is the main thing over here. This is the, what is this? This is the interrogative sentence. Okay, this is the, and one thing, because this is the s no type, and when you will use ws type questions, suppose you can say why shall be, very first you will use why at the beginning of the sentence, and at last you will use question mark. So over here you can see question mark also, and very first you have seen the helping verb. And because when you will use in ws type questions, you can say your sentence will be why shall be not have been writing since evening, like this. Okay, so I hope you have understood about this also, because I have completed today your 10th chapter, and you will study it, you will read it well, you will understand about the tenses totally. And in the next video I will teach you next topic, next chapter. Thank you dear students.